Who's here? I don't. Back up, you get all you here. Look, you can see our room from here. That one right beyond the exit sign. Yeah. Like on the thing.
Are we moving?
We never hit the button.
We're just saying
I did it fine.
I know, we're just saying it. I'm like, did the elevator break?
Moving. That was too
Oh, we got that on video. That's her fault.
Your fault.
That's her fault.
Your fault.
Jennifer K. Tinsley.
That's your fault.
Jennifer K. Tinsley forgot to turn on the elevator.
Nobody hit the button. That's funny.
That's her fault.
Now look, I lost my quarters.
Now she lost her quarters. Let's go back on the elevator.
Come on, boy.
She forgot to push the button. Now she lost her quarters, and she's scared of the height we're on. And now she's sticking her tongue at us. Oh my God! Let me go catch up to her.